Tell Pop Pop.
Push the triangle. The triangle.
Papa.
No, not
What?
the circle.
This.
Wait a second. I got something here. I got his nose. Hold it. I got it. Here it is. Got your nose. Wait a second. Let me put it on. I'll put it back down here.
There,
Well, she snuck it.
Hi.
I know, that's why I did it quietly.
She's very devious. I know.
Wait a second. He's playing with dolls. She's playing with a truck. There's something wrong with this picture.
Very devious.